The Contractor General gives an update on two big investigations. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Clarendon cops make a shocking gun find.
The PNP does more soul searching after the election loss.
The councillor-elect who says the electoral office embarrassed him.
And the world says goodbye to Fidel.
In the business day, the latest gas prices.
There's also the health report, sports post commentary and weather in the Primetime Newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
People have been remembering the late former Cuban leader Fidel Castro. What did he mean to you?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica. And tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.